Hello, keyboard enthusiasts. Today we're looking into the KTT Hisense linear switches sent to us by Keeps and Cables. So let's dive in to uncover what makes them tick. Let's start with the build quality. The KTT Hisense linear switches consist of a robust construction with a vibrant yellow stem, a subtle light purple top housing, and a fully purple bottom housing. But let's just not admire it from the outside. As we disassemble it, the top housing reveals itself to be made from polycarbonate. Now, polycarbonate isn't just a fancy word. It's a material known for its durability and impact resistance, ensuring your switches can withstand the rigors of extensive use. Moving on to the bottom housing. It's constructed from polyamide 66, commonly known as nylon 66. This material is chosen for its excellent mechanical properties, providing a sturdy foundation for the switch. Nylon 66 is recognized for its toughness and resistance to abrasion, ensuring longevity in your keyboard. Now let's talk about the stem. Made from a modified POM plastic, this material is all about precision. POM is a low-friction engineering plastic, contributing to smooth keystrokes and enhances the overall typing experience. These 5-pin linear switches operate at 45 grams, with a bottom mount force of 56 grams. They offer a pre-travel of 1.9 millimeters and a total travel of 3.5 millimeters. It's not just about looks. Every element serves a purpose in this intricate mechanical switch. Now let's talk about the costs. The price given in Keeps and Cables website is at 6.5 Australian dollars for a pack of 10 switches. So each KTT Hisense linear switch costs approximately 0.65 Australian dollars. It's a bit pricier than your standard milky yellows, but more budget friendly than switches like the WS Morandi, striking a balance between budget and quality. So moving on to the sound. So out of the box, the KTT Hisense delivers a decent sound. Even though they have a thin layer of factory lube inside the switches, it still has a bit of scratchiness. Now don't get me wrong, they still sound good, leaning to a clackier sound when it's used out of the box. But of course, we have hand lubing to make it better depending on your preference. With just a dab of Krytox 205 Grade 0 on a brush, securing the stem with the holder to prevent dust, and applying it lightly and thoroughly to the stems, the insides of the housings, and a touch on the springs. So as you can see, the looped switch sounds so much smoother with no scratchiness at all. But like I said, it depends on your preference. Here are two different sound tests for looped and stock switches. So in a nutshell, the KTT high-synth linear switches offer a robust build, a good pricing, and an upgraded sound experience with a stroke of lube. For those craving individuality and a touch of personalization, these switches might be the hidden treasure. So if you liked how the switch sounded, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out the pre-sale on Zoom keyboards and Keys and Cables website, which started yesterday on November 14th. It will end soon, so check the links for more details. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.